If you've ever skipped a workout because you didn't have the energy to go hard, this video is for you. Listen, one of the biggest reasons people lose consistency in the gym is because they feel like every workout session has to be a high energy one. And honestly, I get it because most fitness influencers are pushing high intensity. I get it. I get it. But to the women who are waking up feeling tired, stressed, or low on energy, they are assuming this means to skip my workout entirely. But that's exactly how the cycle of restarting begins because on we don't build consistency by forcing intensity every single workout, but we can build consistency by adjusting the stimulus and still being able to show up. Let me give you a common example. You plan to go to the gym after work. Your workout for the day is a heavy squat day. Now, the day has been stressful, okay? The previous night, you didn't get the best quality of sleep. You only slept a few hours. And the work day, is just been quite overwhelming. So you're feeling a bit tight or drained, possibly both. Well, you get to the gym, you start your warm up, and then you get under the bar, and the weight feels heavier than normal. Now, this is where people usually make one of two decisions. They'll either force the workout anyway or skip the workout entirely. And both choices can lead to the same problem: inconsistency. Because forcing intensity when your body's already under pressure only leads to burnout. And skipping the workout entirely, well, that's reinforcing the cycle of starting over. So the real solution is something most people aren't even taught. You don't need to skip or cancel the workout. You just need to adjust the stimulus. So instead of asking yourself, should I skip the workout today? A better question would be, what does my body have the capacity for today? Because a low capacity workout doesn't mean you skip the workout. It doesn't mean no workout. It simply means the workout needs to shift. So, using our previous scenario, remember the night before you didn't get the best quality of sleep. You went to work, it was quite overwhelming. You have a tightness in your body, you feel a little bit drained, okay? But today is heavy squats. So, we get to the gym, we proceed in our warm up, we get under the bar, and although we have lifted this weight before, it feels heavier than usual. Well, instead of forcing heavy weight, you might want to lower the load slightly, right? And focus more on slower tempo reps. You may take 3 seconds on the way down and control the movement on the way up. Suddenly the workout becomes less about pushing maximum weight and more about control and stability. You're still training, you're still stimulating your muscles, but the session now matches what your body actually can recover from. Now, remember, growth comes in the recovery stage. We break our muscles down during the workout session. Recovery is vital to consistency, results, and the changes you want to see in your body. This is where our muscles begin to repair. Another option on low capacity days is focusing on movement quality. Instead of chasing heavier numbers, you might want to focus on longer rest breaks, controlled reps, mobility work, or even stabilization exercises. This kind of training can help your body reset and recover while keeping your routine intact. because that's important, right? Consistency is what drives long term results, not one or a single intense workout. One of the biggest shifts that people start experiencing when they start training this way is that they stop thinking this is an all or nothing thing. It's no longer either I push hard today or I skip this workout. No,
What?
no. Okay. It becomes, how can I train in a way that keeps my body moving forward? Okay. The mentality shifts. And that small shift is what allows people to stay consistent for months versus constantly restarting. If you're someone who feels stuck in a routine of starting over with your workouts, I've created the 7 day reset that is designed to help you build consistency in structure step by step. Now, it walks you through simple training days to help you stabilize your routine without burnout. You can get started. It will be in the description box below.